Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. Today's video is on the 2021 Kia Seltos and the key features that come in the EX Premium trim level. The one I have in front of me is Neptune Blue. Let's get started. And to start us off with the exterior, the EX Premium upgrades the headlights to full LED headlights with LED turn signals and LED fog lights. You also get 17-inch machine finished alloys. Let's head into safety while we're out here. Comes with advanced forward collision avoidance assist that will detect other vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists because of the radar sensor, as well as highway driving assist and an electronic parking brake. Now let's head into comfort. And to start us off with comfort, the EX Premium Seltos is equipped with a power driver's seat with lumbar support, a power passenger seat, 3-stage air-cooled front seats, 2-stage heated outer rear seats, as well as smart cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a cargo cover for the rear. Now let's finish off with tech. And to start us off with tech, they've upgraded the 8-inch display screen to a 10.25-inch widescreen with integrated navigation system. The radio is now compatible with HD radio and Sirius satellite radio. And you can now register the UVO app with features such as remote start, find my car, and emergency collision notification, as well as a 7-inch full color LCD screen for the instrument panel, ambient mood lighting, and a wireless cell phone charging pad. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please go ahead and hit the like button and make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. And please go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you very much, guys.